Hello everyone, I am Lovely T. Makam, a BS Ed Science student from Jose Rizal Memorial State University. You can just call me Teacher Love or Mom Lovely. Today I am going to discuss about climate change, its cause and effect. So what is climate change? Climate change refers to the change in the usual weather found in a place. Examples of these are change in how much rain a place usually gets in a year, and a change in a place's usual temperature for a month or a season. Next, we are going to discuss about the causes of climate change. Of course, the main cause of climate change is none other than global warming. Global warming happens when there is an extra heat within the Earth's atmosphere which has caused the rise in global temperature. So what causes global warming? One of the causes of global warming are greenhouse gases. These are gases in the Earth's atmosphere that acts a bit like a glass in a greenhouse which traps the sun's heat and stops it from leaking back into space and causing global warming. Examples of these greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide or CO2, methane, nitrous oxide, and fluorinated gases. Transport and vehicles also contribute to global warming. This is because large amount of transportation relies on fossil fuels to run. The burning of fossil fuels releases carbon and other types of pollutants into the atmosphere and causes global warming. Power plants also contribute to global warming as it also burns fossil fuels to operate, which produces a variety of pollutants which ends up in the atmosphere and in the waterways, largely contributing to global warming. Only a few of us may have realized that waste materials can also contribute to global warming. This is because when waste materials end up in landfills and begins to decompose or break down, it releases harmful gases into the atmosphere, which then contributes to global warming. Last but not the least cause of global warming is deforestation. Deforestation is the clearance of woodland and forest. When we cut down trees, carbon dioxide builds up quicker since there are no more trees to absorb it. Not only that, trees releases carbon when they are born, and it causes global warming. Our next discussion is about the effects of climate change. There are several effects of climate change, and they are the following. Temperature will continue to rise. Because human-induced warming is superimposed on a naturally varying climate, the temperature rise has not been and will not be uniform or smooth across the country over time. Another effect of global warming is the frost-free season and growing season will lengthen. The length of the frost-free season and the corresponding growing season has been increasing nationally since the 1980s, affecting ecosystems and agriculture. Because of climate change, there will be more droughts and heat waves. Early snowmelt and melting glaciers and severe droughts potentially leads to drastic water shortages and increased risk of wildfires. Furthermore, because of climate change, sea level will rise. The rise of sea level due to the melting of glaciers may cause natural disasters such as tsunamis. Because of our innovative and creative minds, we are also responsible for the causes of climate change. Nonetheless, there are potential solutions to stop climate change in our very own simple ways. These solutions are the following. Power your home with renewable energy. Invest in energy-efficient appliances. Aim to reduce water waste. Eat the food you buy, reduce wastage, and eat less meat. Purchase energy-saving light bulbs, rechargeable batteries, and use a home water filter. Be conscious about the amount of gas and electricity you use or waste. Drive a fuel-efficient or electric car, and cycle, walk, or use public transport more often. By implementing some or all of these changes, you can tilt the balance of climate change cause and effect. And that is all for today's discussion about climate change. Thank you so much for listening. Once again, this is Teacher Lovely. Thank you so much.